Former MLAs of Bharatiya Janata Party, Rajesh Patnekar and Dayanand Sopte, were formally inducted into the Indian National Congress at a function organized at the Congress office on Friday. While it is believed that Mr. Patnekar has been assured a quota of jobs, Mr. Sopte is likely to get a party ticket from the Mandre constituency.
It was a low-key ceremony that signalled high-magnitude changes in Goan politics. Even when Congress party has succeeded in poaching sitting BJP MLAs, Congress leaders now say the newcomers will be judged by their performance and the issue of awarding tickets will be decided upon by the party high command. Among those present at the function were Congress party state president Subhash Shirodkar, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Sports Minister Manohar Azgaonkar, Kortali MLA Morvin Gudino and others, including people from their constituencies earlier represented by the newly inducted Congress members.
श्री सोपटे किंवा पाटणेकर आणि पाटणेकरांचा जो 3 ते 4 इलेक्शन केले असेल त्यामुळे काँग्रेस पक्षाची तिकीट दिवपाची पद्धत इलेक्शन प्रोसेस असा पयली ताका ताची पूर्ण जाणीव आसा. त्यामुळे काँग्रेस पक्षात प्रवेश करता आसतना की हे एक आश्वासन दिले, तिकेटीचे आश्वासन दिले आणि कसलं आश्वासन दिले हे केन्नाच घेऊन काँग्रेस पक्ष काम करिना. It is a party which has got well set democracy for the last almost 125 years. जे डिझर्वेशन हा ते दाखोवपाचे. फायनली डिसिजन जे आसा पळय ते काँग्रेस पक्षाची प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटी, सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटी हाय करून घेवपाक आसता.
त्यांच्या समेत आयज काँग्रेस पक्षान प्रवेश केलेलो आसा. अध्यक्षांनी म्हटल्या प्रमाणे की पक्षाचे कार्य हे पहिले आसतले आणि पक्ष मजबूत करपाक म्हजें हांव पूर्ण योगदान, पूर्ण सहकार्य हांव प्रदेश काँग्रेस पक्षाक करतलो. येणारो काळ जो आसा तो निवडणुकीचो आसा, विधानसभेच्या निवडणुकीचो आसा आणि प्रयत्न करतलो की चिंचोली मतदारसंघात काँग्रेस पक्षाचो विजय जावचो.
साहजिकच आसा काँग्रेसची ध्येय धोरणां जी आसात जी लोकांची उपस्थितीवरून तांच्यांनी आवडली हे सिद्ध जाता.
जे सांगला आता मिडिया आम्ही प्रेस करून त्यांना what he has explained in very straightforward language. There is a process of the Congress party, whether it is Pratap Singh Rane, Congress also, he has also mentioned that Congress